Let's continue learning have got and has got. As we already know, have got and has got mean to own or to possess. We use have got with I, you, we, they, and we use has got with he, she, it. Now, what if I want to say I don't own something? This is called a negative sentence in English. And we know that negative means using not. So, how do we make a negative sentence? We say, I have not got a car. That means I don't possess a car. But have not got is a little long, right? So we can use the short form. Instead of have not got, we say haven't got. Examples: I haven't got a car. I haven't got a jacket. I haven't got a piano. If I'm talking to you, I change I to you. You haven't got a bike. If I'm talking about us, we say, we haven't got an umbrella. Talking about them, they haven't got a cat. Now let's talk about has got in the negative form. Has not got becomes hasn't got. Examples: he hasn't got a pen. She hasn't got glasses. It hasn't got water. So, to make a negative sentence, we just use not with have or has. Here's a quick summary. With I, you, we, they, use haven't got. I haven't got a jacket. You haven't got a jacket. We haven't got a jacket. They haven't got a jacket. With he, she, it, use hasn't got. He hasn't got a scooter. She hasn't got a scooter. It hasn't got a scooter. Now, how do we make a question? We just change the place of have or has. Put have or has at the beginning of the sentence. For example, I have got a pencil will be changed to have I got a pencil? That means, do I own a pencil? And if someone asks me, have I got a pencil? I answer, yes, you have. No, you haven't. Notice that the first word in the question is the last word in the answer. So listen carefully and answer quickly. Let's ask more questions using other pronouns. Have you got a big house? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Have we got friends? Yes, we have. No, we haven't. Have they got a cat? Yes, they have. No, they haven't. Now let's ask using has. Has he got a bag? Yes, he has. No, he hasn't. Has she got a phone? Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. Has it got a tail? Yes, it has. No, it hasn't. So remember, when you ask a question, start with have or has. Have I, you, we, they got, and then the thing that you are asking about? And the answer could be yes, I, you, we, they have. Or no, I, you, we, they haven't. And for he, she, it, we start with has, he, she, it got, and then the thing that we are asking about. And the answer could be yes, he, she, it has. Or no, he, she, it hasn't. Now, time for the quiz. I want you guys to turn the following sentences into negative sentences and to questions. 1. You have got a computer. 2. They have got a scooter. 3. Mark has got a helmet. 4. The girl has got brown hair. 5. The dog has got black eyes. I will check your answers, so don't forget to answer them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and follow for more lessons.